Whoa.
Don't scare us, baby. Come on. Put this arm down. Don't ruin it already. Oh, man. You think it's funny? Think it's funny to ruin Mama's sweater? Kai, what's that? Is that from your saliva? This is not working right now. Kai is still in rest mode. Kai, when last time Mama's back's hurting? Ready? Ready? Stop doing that.
Stop choking yourself.
Okay, video's over. Not when we're gonna have crying.